Now you will see the reading passage for 3 minutes. Remember, it will be available to you again when it is time for you to write. The lecture will begin, so keep your headset on until the lecture is over.
Now listen to part of a lecture on the topic you just read about.
For years, the scientific community and popular media have painted a clear distinction between bonobo and chimpanzee behavior. They would have us believe that chimpanzees are innately aggressive and that bonobos are by nature loving and peaceful animals. Well, this view of bonobo behavior is misguided. Okay, first of all, most studies have focused entirely on apes in captivity, but recent observation of wild bonobos tells a different story. One researcher in the Congo reported that bonobos shake their fists and throw objects when approached in their native habitats. The same researcher studied bonobo behavior for months and saw bonobos throw sticks at one another, and they even fight, sometimes inflicting serious wounds on one another. The second thing is that even if adult bonobos are rarely seen attacking youngsters, it is because young bonobos are always accompanied by their parents. We can't say the same about chimpanzees. Young chimpanzees often stray from the group, and of course, this leaves them more vulnerable to attack by other chimpanzees. If young bonobos were not always accompanied by their parents, there would be as many attacks on them as on young chimpanzees. Lastly, would you believe that chimpanzees prefer to eat fruit over meat? It's true. The problem is that fruit is in short supply and, well, human activities are to blame. See, people's development of the land drove the chimpanzees out of their original territory, so there is less fruit available. Believe me, chimpanzees had to include meat in their diets merely to survive. If bonobos were limited to the same environment, they would eat meat too.
Summarize the points made in the lecture you just heard, explaining how they cast doubt on the points made in the reading.